first got into the flute when the music service came to our school to play various instruments, and I liked the sound of the flute best, so I signed up to play that one. I've played for quite a lot of orchestras. I played in the wind band, the Brighton Philharmonia Orchestra, the concert band, and I'm in BYO now. With Philharmonia last year we went on tour to Belgium, and apart from that we've played in various churches around